next speaker is certainly a highlight to the event. Please welcome Senator Bong Go. He is a key leader within the Duterte administration and certainly a real mover and shaker in the nation. He was appointed as the special assistant to the president early on, and he's been with him for some years and certainly has his ear and confidence. He is often called the people's bridge to the president, but he is a lot more than that because he really has distinguished himself as a leader to the nation and very soon may be the most powerful man in this nation. So please welcome Senator Bong Go. So pleased to have him with us again. Thank you.
Mayong adlaw sa inyong tanan. I welcome all the guests and attendees of this year's virtual Asia CEO Davao Forum. It is an honor to speak among investors, business leaders, public and private sector leaders in Davao. Today is truly an exciting time for the city of Davao and the region as a whole. It is among the most dynamic places in the country in terms of growth and development, as can be seen by the various projects and enterprises sprouting all over the region. I am very proud to have been a part of its development into a thriving and bustling metropolis through my years as the assistant of President Rodrigo Duterte when he was mayor of Davao City. While COVID-19 has put an abrupt halt to what could have been a spectacular rise in prosperity for the country, we are still bound for takeoff sooner rather than later. This pandemic is a pause in the story of the eventual rise of the Philippines into highly developed and high-income status. I believe this because the ingredients for rapid growth are still there and the foundations for sustained progress that the Duterte administration have laid in place are still very much intact. What needs to be done now is to ensure that we overcome this pandemic so we can rise and move forward. We are already taking the necessary steps to this by vaccinating our people against the virus. As we speak, hundreds of thousands of Filipinos are getting their jobs and re-entering our economy. We are already taking the necessary steps to this by vaccinating our people against the virus. As we speak, hundreds of thousands of Filipinos are getting their jobs and re-entering our economy. We are also strengthening our healthcare system through the improvement of our existing facilities and construction of more facilities. This will not only make our population healthier, but also more resilient against similar shocks in the future. As we move forward on the road to recovery, we will need your help. As business leaders and investors, you have the power to help our country overcome this pandemic and to hasten its rise afterwards. So let us stay the course. Let us preserve our gains. Let us all work together to overcome this pandemic and make the Davao region and the rest of the country a shining beacon of success in a post-pandemic world. Once again, congratulations to Asia CEO Davao Forum. Daghang salamat at mabuhay kayong lahat.